the Electric Israeli, and today I read, and then I went to the Tesla configuration website, that the Tesla Model 3 standard range, and to some extent the standard range plus, are in a very high demand, and that is totally understandable. That was the flagship. That was the whole purpose of the long-term Tesla plan. And how do I know that they're in high demand? Because a week ago, if you configured Tesla Model 3, the base, 220 miles, you will get an estimate delivery of 2 to 4 weeks. Now look what happened here. 6 to 8 weeks. Let me make it a little bigger for you. 6 to 8 weeks. See that? Just for comparison, the standard range plus, that goes down to 2 to 4 weeks. And every other Tesla, the mid-range, the long-range, rear wheel, the long-range dual motor, and the performance, they all have within 2 weeks estimated delivery. And that is awesome. I think that is awesome. No, this is not awesome that they have to wait too long, but that's awesome that there's a lot of demand, and I'm sure things will even out at the end of the day. But this is really, really a big, huge testament of what Tesla is all about. Let's see. I'm going to follow, like I do every month, the sales, and let's see how they break down between the basic models and then the other one. So as you see for now, there is a long wait, and I anticipate that this is going to grow even longer as the weeks and months go by until Tesla catches up. But that's a good problem to have. All right, so I will keep you posted like I always do. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and I see you tomorrow with another video.